Oh my gosh. I got away with a bonehead move right there. I thought that buck had fed down this meadow. I looked over there and I couldn't see him, and then here I am standing in literally the open, and I look over and he's standing there broadside. And I just killed my antelope this morning and a deer tonight, and first time in North America that I've ever killed two animals in the same day. Man, the good Lord had a plan today. That was incredible. That was awesome, and you couldn't ask for a better evening. This is nuts. This is nuts. I can't believe I got that lucky. Not lucky. I can't believe God put those two animals in my path. That was awesome. But if I'm gonna get pictures to get him gutted before dark, I've got to get to work. Well, I killed my antelope this morning, and I honestly just figured I'd come for a look. Just come for a look this evening, and I stumbled upon this guy. I only saw the 4 side. I'll be honest with you, I've never killed like a typical 4x4, never. I've killed a 4x6,